One Nigerian man wey im name be Ogbonna don japa for where im dey live for Texas in America. The thing wey we hear be say im and im wife Tangela dey drag who go dey take care of their boy pikin wey im name be Mansa. Na dis argument come make the man vex, carry gun shoot im wife and wife mama for head. The wife dey emergency now with one lege for world and one lege for heaven. We dey pray make she survive am, but the wife mama don kpai immediately. The man don pick race as police describe as the man be say e tall and im height na about 6 feet and im weight go reach 190 pounds. Dat one na 86 kilograms for Naija. Police don warn say make anybody wey see am no go near am o because of the gun wey im dey carry waka about, but make dem call emergency number on 911. In case una helep see dis person wey resemble dis man for your area, Mushin Olosha, Ojuelegba, Ajegunle, Alabarago or Onitsha, make una call police. Sorry, I don forget say no be Naija the thing shele, but anyhow make una call police on 911. If una gbadun dis gist, make una helep us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele.